Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Lito X1. In this video I'll show you how to enter Pro video mode. To enter Pro video mode, let's go to DJI Fly app and tap Auto in the bottom right corner of the camera. Now you can adjust ISO and shutter and EV. You can change white balance, image format, aspect ratio, and also you can switch to auto back. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.